Hello everyone, welcome back to Bonjour Cuisine, where you find all the best, healthy, delicious, mouth-watering Caribbean food recipes right here on YouTube. Today guys, I am going to share with you how to make this delicious oven-baked salmon. This is super delicious. You're going to love it. As fancy the salmon looks like, it is not hard to make. So let's go and prep this up. I am going to keep this simple. You're going to find most likely all these ingredients right in your cabinet. So what I'm doing here guys, I am squeezing some lime juice all over the salmon. And prior to this, I did rinse it under cold water and I pat it dry with a paper towel. So now my next process is squeezing some lime juice, and I'm seasoning this up with garlic powder, chili flakes pepper, Italian seasonings, and I am drizzling some olive oil all over the salmon. And what I'm going to do next guys, I love garlic. I am going to dress it up with some extra garlic paste. Okay, you cannot go on for adding extra garlic on this. So take the time to marinate this nice and well. If you can let it sit for an extra 15 minutes and let it marinate, that is super great to try to give it some time to marinate. All right guys, so after this I am preheating the oven at 400 degrees. Make sure while you're doing all this preparation to preheat the oven at 400 degrees, and I'm going to bake this up you guys for 35 minutes until golden baked. If by the time you pull this out of the oven it's not golden baked, you can give it an extra 5 minutes. And there you have it. I am going to enjoy this with some watercress, and yeah, it's delicious. Definitely give it a try. This is super yummy. It's perfect for a romantic dinner. It's perfect for having some friends over. I mean, it's perfect to treat yourself. Whatever that you want to do tonight, go ahead and enjoy this oven-baked salmon. For those of you who are new on this channel, I am a licensed caterer. If you are in Massachusetts, New Hampshire, if you need catering services, you can book me. My email address is bonjourcuisinellc@gmail.com. Yeah, go ahead and send me an email and I will definitely get back to you. If you are new, please consider to subscribe. I share tons of delicious recipes on here, life topics, the gospel, and much more. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. As usual, I will see you soon with more videos. Bye.